Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is neither gonna be a makeup video nor a haul video. Rather, this is gonna be a demo video of the face wash and the moisturizer from Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar range. The brand has a Green Hands initiative where they send a pouch of seeds with every product brought from the website to encourage people to go green. So first I will start with this face wash from Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar range, and this face wash is one of my favorites. Why? Because it clarifies and deep cleanses the skin like anything. It is enriched with pure certified apple cider vinegar, aloe vera extract, and most importantly the hyaluronic acid. Yeah, its effective formulation helps in removing the dirt, sweat, excess oil, which I have obviously because I have combination skin, and the makeup very thoroughly. And it also maintains the pH balance of your skin and the hyaluronic acid, which improves the skin's moisture levels. Yeah, so who wouldn't love that face wash? And that's not it. It prevents the skin inflammation, so it's best for acne prone skin. And it also removes the excess sebum, clears dead skin cells, and reduces the dullness and acne spots. And after washing, you guys can see the clearer and the smoother skin ever. But who am I? Yeah, who am I who is having so much acne marks, pigmentation, and even skin tone on her skin itself? So who am I to talk about all these things? Actually, honestly guys, it could have been worse. Yeah, it could have been worse if I was not introduced to apple cider vinegar 1 year back. Who follow me since the beginning know what my skin condition was, and compared it with my skin now, the face wash has changed my life drastically. I have started loving my skin like even more. And next, without this moisturizer from Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar range, this skincare routine would be incomplete. This apple cider vinegar moisturizer helps to hydrate your sensitive skin, acne prone to oily skin. Yeah, oily skin also needs the hydration. This moisturizer contains organic certified Himalayan apple cider vinegar, beetroot extract, and hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate and soften your skin. And this oil-free quick absorbing moisturizer helps to maintain the moisture of your skin without making it greasy. And you can use this moisturizer on a daily basis to keep your skin stay healthy and oil-free and moisturized all throughout the day. It also improves the skin texture and suppleness, making it soft to touch. See, my skin is looking so healthy, moisturized, and hydrated at the same time. It also fights skin damage due to free radicals and keeps your pores clean. So yeah. So be wow naturally and get clear skin by gentle yet thorough cleansing and moisturizing. So if you want to purchase all this product, you can check out the description box below for the product link. And the Wow Skin Science products are available at Amazon, Nykaa, and Purple, and you can also use my coupon code to get 20% off. And by the way, the brand has a Green Hands initiative where they send a pouch of seeds with every product brought from the website to encourage people to go green. So what are you waiting for? Order your product right now. And finally, if this video was helpful for you guys, let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.